as I'm just grafting up in downstairs toilet. I'll show you the upstairs. Apart from some silicone and covers for the red balls, we're nearly done. Got the recess, freestanding bath, toilet, wall hung unit, inset cabinet, mirrors on all angles, shaver point. Built this little stud wall out so we could have a smaller end panel. Quite like the idea of it. Built it one tile thick so the trims and everything look nice on there. Put a little inset. Once it dust down, put my fingerprints all over it. Apart from that, the pattern floor. Apart from that, it's nearly there.